Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are here in Carlisle on a construction cleanup. As you can see, we're at a Five Below. They're putting everything together. My man's over there dusting the floors now. We're gonna use the auto scrubber, scrub the floors. We're gonna get the glass really good. We're doing a dusting pretty much and doing the bathrooms in the back area. We're gonna dust and get rid of all this junk here, like all this trash and stuff. Back here it's dusty. Now we're gonna get all that up. There's adhesive on the glass, so I'm working on getting the adhesive off right now because for some stickers. Right now we're just using a hand tool just to scrape it off. Very tedious, very time consuming, but we're gonna get it done. All right, stay tuned for the end results. See, we're getting everything mopped up. We gotta do this back office area back here as well. I'm gonna sweep in here, get this back room, and the bathroom. All right, we're almost done. We got all the windows taken care of. Now we're moving this stuff over to the other side. We got the floors done. On this side, you can see they're still a little wet. We got the floors done with the auto scrubber. And we have this side to do. If you look, you can see the difference in the floor. Oh, here we go, right here. So there's like a line right here. It's hard to see. You can't really see it in the camera. There's like dust on the floor over here, but in the middle, it's all clear. Got a clear view of the floor. There you go, see right there, see the line? That line right there, that's all dust. We haven't hit that with the auto scrubber. This area right here, we hit with the auto scrubber. So we'll get it done. Let's continue moving all this stuff over. Now we already pre-scrubbed the floors, dust them, I should say. Look at the floors are all hazy right there. right, so I started pouring and I was like, I gotta get this on video. So this is the floor, dirty water from the auto scrubber. Look at that.